Good morning, students. How are you doing? See you again with Miss Auntie in our English class for grade 5. Well, students, in this part, we are going to continue our lesson for chapter 4, Disaster, Bencana. Well, students, do you know what kind of disaster it is? Let's listen. On 28 December 1908, a tsunami hit Messina in Italy. The wall of seawater was about 10 meters high. How high do you think the seawater is in this picture? Well, the disaster that we have here is tsunami. Hurricanes are very dangerous storms with strong winds. The worst Atlantic hurricane in history was the Great Hurricane in 1780, and it was from 10 until 16 of October. Well, the disaster that we have here is hurricane. What kind of disaster it is? Let's listen to the description. When a volcano erupts, it throws hot liquid rock and gases into the air. When Krakatau erupted on 26th of August 1883, it made the loudest sound ever heard. So, what is it? It's volcano. Volcano. Gunung berapi. Well, students, now let's continue with this kind of disaster. On the 1st of November 1755, an earthquake hit Lisbon in Portugal. The earth moved for 10 minutes. The earthquake destroyed most of the buildings in the city. Okay, so the name of the disaster is earthquake. Gempa bumi. Well, students, what kind of disaster it is? Let's find out. There is a ship. It's called as Titanic. On 14th of April 1912, it was sailing across the Atlantic Ocean when it hit an iceberg. They couldn't see the iceberg because there was a lot of fog. Iceberg. Gunung es. What is it? What kind of disaster it is? The Hindenburg was one of the biggest airships ever built. On 6th of May 1937, when it was arriving in the USA, it caught the people think this happened because lightning hit it during a storm. Well, so the disaster that we have here is storm. Badai. Well, students, we have just learned some disasters that we have to know. For chapter 4, you have to do an assignment that you have to do in the Google Form. Kalian harus mengerjakan tugas yang ada di Google Form yang merupakan bagian dari kesatuan dari video ini. Kita baru saja mendengarkan beberapa penjelasan mengenai disaster atau bencana alam. Kalian harus memasangkan deskripsi yang ada di Google Form dengan disaster atau bencana alam yang sesuai. Perhatikan dan kalian boleh ulang untuk mendengarkan lebih baik. Thank you.